The atmosphere in the OR is delicate. Things can go wrong. When you're in the case and you do have a situation where the patient is bleeding and you need to get that under control, the main thing was just that I knew what I had on my table was in good working order. My official title is Certified Surgical Technician. I am supposed to come in a room, check all the equipment, make sure my instruments are sterile, working properly. So basically, I'm a checker. I'm the detail person. The main thing with working with any instrument or any tool is just trusting the company that actually backs it. I can honestly say that working with Teleflex product or Weck products, I knew that if I needed it, we were going to go and it was going to work. They are color-coded. They have enough weight and they actually fit my hands perfectly. If I had something that was broken or malfunctioning, I could depend on them to bring me in something that would work because I was never going without having products for my surgeons or for my patients.
I've been manufacturing pliers for 44 years. We are processing about 30 to 35,000 ligating clipper pliers per year. Typically what we find would be misaligned jaws, dents, faded color coding, broken springs. We receive it in, we sterilize the product, we do a fault finding process. We refurbish it, beautify it, we bring it back to manufacturer specification, and we return it to the end user. We have here maybe combined over 100 years of skill repairing ligating clipper pliers. I've done this for 2/3 of my life. I hired those guys. I don't think there's anybody more qualified than the group that we have here. I want my product to be as new or like new going out. Laid a new product next to a product that's been refurbished or repaired here, you won't know the difference. It is personal. I've had the experience of being in surgery several different times. When I go under, I expect to wake up. And I know how vital it is to have the very best product used on you. That Teleflex or Weck standard is the product that I want used on myself, and I want the very best.
Working at a trauma center, you just want to know that you're just going to hit it at every point of your day. When we had a patient that needed to be ligated or stop a bleeder, I have to know I'm going to have what I need. I don't have to run for it. Teleflex took care of everything, and it was awesome. I didn't have to worry about it, to be honest. I had a lot more things to worry about to keep straight on my plate with Teleflex. You just feel like you've achieved your purpose.